This hadith of Sahih al-Bukhari 5686. We know after we do research that since several centuries ago, and even according to recent research, there are various researches which confirm that there are various benefits for the human being in drinking camel's urine. The most beneficial is the urine of the Bedouin camels, and it is called as Najib. Today, after laboratory tests have been done on urine of the camel, we have come to know that the camel's urine, it contains potassium and albuminous proteins. It also contains traces of uric acid and sodium, as well as creatine. The urine of the camel can be used in treatments of certain skin diseases like tinea, like ringworm, like sores, like abscesses, dry and wet ulcers. And scientific research has proven that camel's urine, it makes the hair lustrous and thick, and is also used in the prevention of dandruff. Camel's urine can be used as treatment for certain skin diseases like eczema, can be used for allergies, for sores, for burns, for acne, for nail infection. It can also be used as a treatment for hepatitis. Camel's urine, it makes the hair stronger and thick, and can be used as treatment for dandruff. There are various researches in scientific journals also. The camel's urine can be used in treatment of cancer. And further it's mentioned in the Journal of Cancer Science and Therapy that camel's urine has got anti-cancer properties and can be used in the treatment of cancer. And there are various scientific journals which have testified that camel urine can be used in treatments of skin diseases, treatment of cancer, and various other benefits are there in it. Why, if Muslims are mocking at the Hindus when they drink the camels, when they drink the cow's urine, then how can we agree with the hadith of the Prophet that we have to drink the urine of the camel? Point number one, let me tell you that Muslims should not mock at the Hindus just because they drink the urine of the camel. According to Ibn Sina, he says that the urine of the camel and the urine of the cow, it is not najis, it is tahir, it is pure. According to the fuqahas, according to Islamic scholars, they say that any animal which is permitted for a Muslim to eat, or any bird which is permitted for a Muslim to eat, that animal or that bird's urine and feces is tahir, it is pure, it is not najis. This is based on the hadith of the Prophet of Sahih Bukhari, volume 7, hadith number 5686, where Anas bin Malik said that when some people entered Medina, the climate of Medina did not suit them. So the Prophet told them to go along with his shepherds, that is along with his camels, and drink the milk and the urine of the camel. A similar hadith is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, hadith number 6802, that some people from Ukl, from the Uraina tribe, they came to the Prophet and they accepted Islam. And the climate of Medina did not suit them. So the Prophet said, go to the herds of camel and drink the milk and the urine of the camel as a medicine. And they drank, and they were cured, and they became healthy. So based on this hadith of the Prophet, which was mentioned about 1400 years ago, science has discovered a few hundred years before. Ibn Sina said that, and even now, that what the Prophet said 1400 years ago, where medical science wasn't advanced, Today, with the latest research, we have come to know that whatever the Prophet said is correct today. And today science tells us that besides treating various skin diseases, the camel's urine can also be used in the treatment of cancer.